Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So I've recently found a SEC filing regarding Kurv Invest, and this might be like their version of YMAG. So let's take a look together. So I was kind of wondering if this ETF would be good for someone. Of course, like this is not SEC approved. Like the date on this guy was April 10th, and then unfortunately they don't have a ticker symbol yet, and I don't know when they'll plan to actually get this listed. Unfortunately, there's no expense ratio as well, so I'm hoping that they'll keep it lower than YMAG if they want a chance to compete. So the strategy they plan to have this as an actively managed ETF, and they primarily invest in assets in other ETFs, but when you go through like the fine print, like it says they're gonna primarily invest in like the Curve Yield Premium ETF. So this is why I think they'll primarily be like a YMAG rather than a YMAX. Now, just taking a quick look through like the potential holdings, I unfortunately I think this one will kind of be like Y lag. The reason for that is they don't currently have a Nvidia version of like their cover call ETFs, or like their version of like the synthetic cover call ETFs. So I can't see this outperforming YMAG. And they also have something, this is interesting, they have a curve enhanced short maturity ETF. I couldn't find much information on this LQID, but I'm assuming this is either bonds or some type of treasury. So maybe this to help balance out some of the volatility that'll be present in this particular fund. And of course, I just took a quick stab at like their estimates. So I just took like the recent yields on the website, and just to get a quick average. So I'm thinking it'll probably be in the 16.2% ish area. Of course, this doesn't include like their this whatever this LQID is, so it might actually be a little bit lower. But if it drops down to like, let's say, between 13 or 15%, I think it's okay for what this is. Again, this, I think maybe like if they released this earlier, maybe it could have gotten like more attention. But this one, since YMAG is already out, FEPI is already out, this might be a little bit too late. But if they price it right, it might be able to attract some capital. So this, the portfolio manager, Dominique Turson. So there's not much information about this person. So you know, hopefully this person will perform well. So sorry if this was a little bit short, but like I was trying to find like more information regarding this, but this is whatever they have in their current prospectus. I obviously we don't know when they will release this, because like if they don't even have the expense ratios or ticker symbol, hopefully they'll fast track this guy, because I think they're might be already late to the party. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. If you could subscribe as well, that'd be greatly appreciated. And of course, like super thanks are also greatly appreciated too, because Google right now isn't paying me, and also like super thanks can also be rescinded. So that kind of pushes me in a tough spot too. But anyway, hopefully people make some good money out there, regardless if you invest in this or not. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.